Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product analyses and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of PC cases with the GOPIE Micro ATX PC case, model T07. Let's explore what makes this compact chassis stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk dimensions. This Micro ATX case measures 13.7 inches in length, 6.3 inches in width, and 10.6 inches in height, making it compact yet capable of housing your components effectively. The T07 boasts a sleek black design with tempered glass panels that offer a clear view of your internal components. But what caught our eye is the aluminum alloy handle on the top. Not only does it add a touch of style, but it also provides portability, allowing you to easily transport your rig wherever you go. Now, let's talk performance. This case is designed for optimal airflow with large mesh panels on the front, top, and bottom, complete with dust filters. These panels facilitate efficient heat exchange, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. In terms of compatibility, the T07 supports micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, with ample room for a GPU of up to 335mm in length and a CPU cooler with a max height of 135mm. Plus, it accommodates up to 5 2.5 SSDs, providing plenty of storage options for your build. Connectivity is key, and the T07 doesn't disappoint. It features a front panel with USB 3.0 and Type-C ports, ensuring quick and easy access to your peripherals. Assembling your PC is a breeze with this case. The tempered glass panel can be easily removed with just a few screws, giving you hassle-free access to the interior for installation and maintenance. To sum it up, the GOPIE Micro ATX PC case, model T07, combines compact design, excellent airflow, and user-friendly features to provide a solid foundation for your gaming or workstation setup. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.